teach you a concept called, or the trick called, bond angle. Okay, what is it? So the first important thing you need to remember in this is, trick number 1 is, careful students, check, bond angle BA is directly related to bond order. This is clear. And it is directly related to your S percentages character. We'll see what it is. Same. Bond angle is inversely related to bond length. Remember this. Remember this. Easy? Easy? Very easy. How does this work? Let's take an example and see. Let me take an example. For example, if I just take one particular thing, let me go with bond, this one, what did I say? I said bond order, better. I'll go with bond order. Let me take C triple bond C. What is the bond order here? Bond order is 3. Bond order is 3. I'll take one more example, C double bond C. What is the bond order here? Bond order is 2. Now I'm taking one more C single bond C. What is the bond order? Bond order is 1. You only tell me. I said bond angle is directly proportional to bond order. That's why this particular molecule has 180 degrees bond angle more. This is 120 degrees bond angle, and this is 109.28 degree bond angle. Just now I have said, isn't it? If the bond order is more, even the bond angle will be more. So what is the order, students? Easy. The order goes like this. C triple bond C, bond order is more and bond angle also is more, than C double bond C, then C single bond C. Easy? Very easy. Now let us go with one more. We said something, no? What did we say? Bond angle. What is it? Bond angle, that's nothing but your trick number 2. What is trick number 2? We said something. Yes. We said bond angle is inversely related to the size of central metal atom. What is this? Bond angle is inversely related to 1 by size of central atom. What is this, ma'am? Central atom means what? Central atom, and that too electronegativity. Let us take an example and see about this. For example, if I take a particular, which one? Okay, let us take like this. Here I have different molecules. Okay, see here. I have a molecule that is NH3. Okay. I have a molecule which is BiH3. I have a molecule which is PH3. Okay. I have a molecule that is ASH3. Now you only tell me, bond angle, I said, decreases down the group when electronegativity decreases. Means among everything, this is, let me name this as 1 nitrogen, more electronegative, 2 phosphorus, bismuth, then 3 phosphine or phosphorus rather, PH3, correct. Then comes our phosphorus hydride or arsenic hydride, this is 4. Now if I have to see, we said bond angle decreases when we move down the group. Why? Because here what is happening, bond angle, when I move down the group, bond angle whatever is there, it decreases as electronegativity also decreases, correct. So how do I write this? I have to write a concept based on this. So among everybody, NH3 is having more bond angle compared to PH3, compared to ASH3, compared to BiH3. That's all, because electronegativity difference decreases, correct na? When electronegativity difference decreases, automatically the bond angle decreases. Is it, students? Simple as that, simple. Bond angle concept, when you remember, easy to understand. So as we move down the group, electronegativity decreases, bond angle decreases. Thanks for watching. I'll meet you again in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching, students. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.